Okay. Um, I, yesterday I got a Dr. Pepper beef jerky. I'm excited to try it out because yesterday I ate the normal one. I was trying to eat this one, but my sister said no. If I did something, I will get the whole thing. But now she says, give me a little bite. So I have to give her a little bite. Let's try it. I have Dr. Pepper at home, the normal kind. So let me bring one. I'm gonna bring one, and I'm gonna see if they're like different. So I have Dr. Pepper. And I'm gonna grab one and see I have Dr. Pepper right here, and see if like any difference of it. So I'm excited. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Okay. This is my Dr. Pepper. Let's see how different. Okay. He's normal. Now let's open the little one. The beef jerky kind. I know. It might be disgusting, but I don't care. Food is food. It smells like beef jerky. Doesn't smell like Dr. Pepper. Okay. Wait, I gotta do something quick. Okay, I give my sister a little piece, so I actually have not tried it. I cut it off. My scissors. I had to cut it off. My scissors are clean. But like, sorry. 3, 3, 2, 1. Wait, actually? Go, Adrian, go. Oh. That does not taste like Dr. Pepper. It all tastes like beef jerky. It's like two different things. It doesn't taste like. I still like this one better. But like, who would make this? This is so disgusting. Like, what the heck? Ew. Let's try it one more time. Whatever. I gotta keep trying it for like and see if I can actually get the flavor.
Okay.
I like beef jerky sticks, but nah. Made of beef, pork, and chicken. Crashing. Like,
If you want Doritos, eat Doritos.
sorry about that. That my sister's on a call. It's like, so? Ooh. Sorry about my face. But like, what the heck? This is not so good. And the fact that I had this whole thing to eat. This is not good. Do not recommend if you don't like beef jerky sticks, or if you do. Ugh. Let me wash it down. But guys, oh yeah, I forgot to show you this check. This shirt from Walmart. Cross necklace, I don't know where it came from because I got it from Christmas. Pants, got it from pants, these cargo pants, I got it from Shein. Shoes, got it from the mall, I don't know where from the mall. That's all I got. That's all I got! Oh yeah, socks from Walmart, I think, I don't know. I got it from my Christmas thingy.
Remember whenever you typed, whenever we were at your house,
Gotta keep eating. This is how much? I've ate this much, and then the rest I give to my sister. Gotta try it. Try it. It's so delicious. It's so delicious.
I'm not sick.
But I actually gotta try it. You try your piece. I'll try another piece of mine. I got you eat it. I think I'm sick of beef jerky now.
Yeah.
No, this is not beef jerky. This is a Slim Jim. If you guys don't like Slim Jims, do not recommend. Sorry, I've been saying beef jerky all day. It just gets me confused. I mean Slim Jim.
Do you play Blood Bath, Sunny?
Uh, uh, uh.
Why?
Bye guys. Do not recommend this. If you don't like Slim Jims, do not recommend. You're gonna hate it even more. If you guys like Slim Jims, you're gonna hate it. Yeah. Bye guys. Bye.